Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gaffney, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Gaffney, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Blacksburg, Grover, Patterson Springs, Hickory Grove, Earl, Smyrna and Cowpens National Battlefield. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee and York. A tornado warning remains